Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to place an order on Shein app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app. Make sure you are logged into it already. Now, you can choose the items you want to buy. So let's go for this one and simply add on cart over here. And click on add to cart. Now we can go to cart from here and choose the items you like to check out and simply click on checkout button on the bottom right corner. Now we need to choose our payment method. Once you are done choosing, you need to add the amount. Let's go for gift card for now. Enter your card number, enter your PIN, and then simply click on apply. After that, we can simply click on continue payment on the bottom right corner. After that, verification will be done and the order will be confirmed. So this is all we can do to place an order on Shein app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.